Guys, here we are discussing how to represent any fraction on a number line. If you listen the name number line. Number line is a line which represents the number. Suppose it is 0. In the right side, it will be plus positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot dot. And in left side, it will be minus. So it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. This is the basic phenomena when anybody says the number line. So number line is like this. But the question here, it becomes a bit tough to represent
a fraction.
Fraction on a number. So very easy it is, not to worry. And I will give you a tips. Suppose you are to represent 1 by 3. So you put 0 there. 0 is the origin. And you are to represent 1 by 3 on the number line. So you mark 1 in such a way, that it is divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. So this will be, because you are to represent 1 by 3 on the number line. So what you will have to do, you will have to represent 1 in such a way that it is divided into 3 equal parts. So it will represent 1 by 3, it will represent 2 by 3, and it will represent
3 by 3,
and which is equal to
1.
So this is, you got very easily, you could display 1 by 3 on the number line. Similarly, it will be minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, and it will be minus 1 because minus 3 by 3. So this was the first case. In this case, you can represent 1 by 3 on this way. Second case, you have to represent 2 by 7. As I told you earlier in this question, so what you will have to change it here. You mark origin 0 and you represent 1 in such a way that the 0 to 1, the distance is divided into 7 equal parts. So it will be 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, and it is 7 by 7
or 1.
So it will be 1 by 7, it will be 2 by 7, it will be 3 by 7, it will be 4 by 7, it will be 5 by 7, it will be 6 by 7, and it is 1. So what was asked here?
Sir, 2 by 7.
So this is point P, which represents 2 by 7 on the number line. Next, third is
1 whole 3 by 4.
1 whole 3 by 4. So, not to worry here, you represent the origin 0 and you will distribute the number line in such a way that the 1 is represented by 4 equal parts. So it is 1 by 1, 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. So it is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. It is 1. So it is 3 by 4. Not here. It is 1 whole 3 by 4. So you will have to go ahead. So it will be 1 whole 1 by 4, 1 whole 2 by 4, 1 whole 3 by 4 and 1 whole 4 by 4, and it will be 1 whole 4 by 4. That is
2. 2.
That is 2. That is 2. So what was to represent 1 whole 3 by 4? This is the 1 point. It is, suppose it is m, and this is equal to 1 whole 3 by 4. Similarly, you can represent 2 whole 2 by 5. Okay? In this way, you can represent any fraction on the number line.